Welcome to the Accessing GovConnectIowa series. This tutorial will show you how to make a logged-in payment. Please note that the appearance of your pages in this tutorial may look different due to system updates, and that all data used in this training is fictitious and was created within a test environment. To get started, you'll need to log into your GovConnectIowa account. Don't have an account yet? Check out our tutorial on getting signed up. I have an account and am connected, so I will enter my information to log in. After you have logged into your GovConnectIowa account, you will navigate to the account section that requires payment. In today's example, we will use the Sales and Use account. I will click the Make a Payment hyperlink to continue. You will be prompted to select a payment type. The options available on your specific screen will vary depending on your connected accounts. I will explain when you may use any of these responses prior to displaying my options for my Sales and Use account. Again, these are potential options. If you received a bill from the department, choose Pay a Bill. You will enter the letter ID located at the top of your bill and follow the additional prompts. Select Make a Return Payment if you submitted a return and chose Pay Later and need to pay the tax due on the return. If you are a monthly or semi-monthly filer and would like to make a deposit, choose Make a Deposit. Choose Make a Payment if you want to pay the balance on your account. This payment would be applied to the oldest tax period debt. Select taxpayers would choose to make an estimated payment to pay toward income tax they believe they will owe. Some may also need to choose Make a Federal Audit Estimate Payment if they expect to owe Iowa tax due to a pending Internal Revenue Service audit. The final option is to pay inheritance tax, which should be selected when you need to pay inheritance tax. My option for payment on my Sales and Use account is simply to make a return payment. I will make this selection and then click Next. Now you will select the tax period the payment is to be applied towards. You can choose any period listed, even if there is a zero balance owed. I will select the filing period and will then click Next. You will then be prompted to select your payment option. There are two options available. You can pay with a bank account. It is recommended that you contact your bank ahead of payment to authorize payments originating from the Iowa Department of Revenue. You can also choose to pay by credit card. It is important to note that a service fee will be charged by the credit card processing vendor. This service fee is collected by the vendor and it is not revenue to the Iowa Department of Revenue. Let's take a look at each, starting with bank account payment. Once you have selected bank account, you will see the disclaimer at the top reminding you that payments can take up to 5 days to be processed and that you may see a test transaction on your account to verify the accuracy of the bank account details. I will now click Next. You will start by adding and confirming your payment amount, date, account information, and bank account type. You can also save the bank account for future payments. I will add and confirm a payment amount of $25. I will leave the payment date, but you can make a future date payment up to 80 business days in advance. If you attempt to select a date beyond that threshold, you will receive an error message. You will then need to enter your routing number, which will auto-populate your bank. I have already completed this step and will now continue forward to enter and confirm my account number, along with my account type. Finally, you can save your payment type choice for future use by selecting Yes. Here's a fun note. As a logged-in function, you can manage your saved payment options from your page. Another great reason to get signed up. Finally, you can change the billing information as needed, or keep the defaulted information. Once this is confirmed, you can click Next. Be sure you read the information on the screen prior to confirming your submission. Once you are ready to continue, you will enter your password followed by clicking Submit. I will do that now. The confirmation screen will appear next. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records. Let's take a look at the credit card payment option. If you choose to make a payment by credit card, this screen shows a review panel, displaying the entered amount. You will need to enter the confirmed amount, which must match the original amount. You will then see the total the service fee amount and the completed total. Remember, this fee is collected by the vendor and is not revenue for the Iowa Department of Revenue. Finally, you will need to enter your credit card information. To enter your information, you will need to click the Enter Credit Card Information button, and then enter your information in the text fields, followed by clicking Authorize. You will then walk through just a few more confirmation screens to complete your payment, similar to what was seen previously. You will also be met with a similar confirmation screen with the very critical number. Be sure you document your confirmation number. Great work! For more videos and help on how to navigate GovConnectIowa, visit revenue.iowa.gov/GovConnectIowa and visit our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.